Getting engaged is like is the first hill of the roller coaster. And you hear those clicking, the loud sound, it's really violent metal, chunk, and you go, what's going on here, you know? Boy, this thing's really goes high. And then you go over the top. The wedding is at the top. You go over the top is the wedding, and then you just scream it.
Well, even if you make plans, you never think you're really ready for marriage.
No, it's like any growth. You can't be ready for it because it's growth. It's going to be new. It's going to be new. You're going to have a new life. You're going to be a new person.
So how do I feel about Marc? Well, I really love that man. Like, he's honestly like my best friend, you know? My prayer warrior, my compa partner, my travel buddy. That's the homie, you know?
Love is like when you walked into my life. How did I survive without you in it? I wonder how I have made it through all this.
How do I feel about my fiance? So she's just an amazing individual overall. Like, she makes me feel really special. Like, I really do feel like a very special man to just have her in my life, you know?
As I realize you're everything that I wanted, everything that I need, everything I've been looking for to make me feel complete.
When I proposed, what was going through my head? I would say I was more so excited, a little nervous only because trying to put something on time and, you know, people running late and people that I would say need to be there are not there, and how do you keep something, you know, you've been planning for, I think I was planning for 2 years, quiet, you know, so that day, I had one of my close friends who don't call her, don't text her, reaches out to her and say, hey, today's gonna be a good day, like, bro, what are you doing? And then we have her auntie she's like, she's here, just taking pictures of the area that she's located. And then I had one of my homeboys, as we're walking, you know, just driving on by. So it's just, oh, great. Like, of course, all these things would be taking place.
I see one of his best friends pull up. I'm like, isn't that Josh? What's he doing here? Okay, all right, whatever, because that man live all the way deep down in Popka. What is he doing over here in Crane's Roost? all right, whatever. So then I was like, you don't want to say hi to him? Like, he's right here or whatever. And he's like, no, we can go. That's probably not my job. And I'm like, I'm looking dead at him. That is him. What I'm looking forward to the most when it comes to me and Marc getting married is just all the new memories we'll be able to create. You know, all the places we'll get to travel to. Those are the things you're going to cherish and you're going to reflect back on when you're old and gray, and you know, like, look at these pictures that we took when we did this and that, and just marking our memories together.
I love that girl. I really do. Yeah, that's big.
I'm gonna be marrying my best friend.
Wewe ni kila kitu.